Hello, welcome to this video brought to you by District 93 Technology. Today we're going to talk a little bit about display settings, particularly setting up your display with your projectors. And so to get to our display settings, the first thing you need to do, the easiest way to get there is to just right click on a blank part of your desktop and select Screen Resolution. And this will pop us into our display settings. In here, there's a few settings. You can see right now it shows two monitors up here, 1 and 2. And the first one, number 1, is my main display that you see here, and this is my my monitor. And then number 2, you can see I can drag it over here. And number 2, this is actually the projector. And so when you're looking at what's in this right section with this window, that's my projector. So I have it right now is set on extend these displays, and what that means is that what is displayed on my monitor is going to be different than what's displayed on my projector. And if I want to put something over to my display on my projector, while it's in extend these displays, I can move my window, whatever I'm working on that I want over there to display on my projector, and move it to the right, and it just pushes it right over there as if my projector were sitting next to my monitor. So it kind of makes the two displays into one big display. And if you're not sure which is which with the 1 and 2, you can hit identify, and it's going to tell you which is which. So it's going to say this one's number 1, this one's number 2, and it'll pop up on that screen and help orient you. You'll notice if I have it on this one, it says this is my main display, and your main display is going to give you your taskbar here at the bottom, and your extended display is not going to have that. If I wanted to make this other display my main display, I would check the box, and you have to hit apply once you make any changes. And that swaps my displays. Okay, so I'm going to go back and set my monitors, my main display, and see, and that makes that a little better. I'm not sure how this is recording. If it's going to mess up the way my recording looks, I may have to pull this back over. Okay. Now, if your screen doesn't fit in your monitor right, you can always adjust the resolution, and you can, it'll change the size of your screen, the way that looks. So if for some reason your icons are too big, or there's not enough space, or it's messed up, you can adjust that in your resolution. So now what a lot of people do, and the reason they use extended display is, say you want to be entering in grades on your monitor, and you still want to maybe you're showing your students a video, or you've got something up there for them to reference for their assignment. You can still use your main display by having it on extended display and just putting whatever you're working on over in the other window. So that might be your internet window, or a Word document, or something like that that you want displayed for the students to be able to use, but you still want to be able to use your main window. See, so if I had something on here, I could bring it over, and now this is displaying on my projector while I'm still over here able to work on my main window. Now, sometimes you're going to want your displays to display the same thing. And to do that, you do duplicate these displays, or sometimes people call it cloning the displays. So if I hit duplicate, you can see, as is indicated up here, that it will make both of my screens display the same thing. And if I go ahead and hit apply, see, it's combined everything into one. And if I hit identify, it's going to show the 1 and 2. They're both the same, and it's on the same screen. And then I can go back to extend these displays whenever I need to make them displayed separately. Okay. And that really just about covers it. So yeah, if you want your projector and your computer to do the same thing, you're going to duplicate these displays. If you want them to display separate things, you're going to extend these displays, and you can switch between those anytime by just right-clicking on your desktop, clicking Screen Resolution, and then playing with these settings. Alright, I hope that is helpful, and if you have any other questions, feel free to email me, waitc@d93.k12.id.us or waitc@d93mail.com.